Thank you for joining me. My name is Courtney Palchuk from LSW Lighting, and today I have a presentation on the HBY Highbay by Signify. With specialized high bay installation requests increasing and numerous opportunities for retrofit applications becoming more apparent, LED high bays have increased in demand. But finding a high bay solution without extreme glare and high enough lumen packages that can effectively illuminate your work plane has been a challenge. The HBY LED Highbay by Signify leads the way with a high-performance solution, offering a high quality of light, extensive application coverage, and an attractive total cost of ownership. This high bay provides uniform illumination with low glare, dedicated beam angles to meet the needs of your high rack and open space areas. It's also available in one size up to 36,000 lumens, which is impressive considering it's coming from a compact fixture. This fixture has up to 145 lumens per watt. With the HBY Highbay, durability truly does meet design, and what I really like about this fixture is that it's designed for demanding applications. With a tempered glass and die-cast aluminum housing, it enables this fixture to be easily cleaned and maintained. This luminaire is IP65 and wet location listed. As of recent, it's now XTM Extreme Environment certified and NSF non-food certified. It's also natatorium rated for your pool environments, further extending its applications. The HBY is available to be mounted via an adjustable hanger or by suspension cables as well. It's important to note that this luminaire is future ready, meaning that it is compatible with smart technologies such as SpaceWise or various integral occupancy sensors. If you'd like to find out more about the SpaceWise control system, we have a presentation on our website where we dive further into the control system's functionality. The HBY not only makes your space look great, function great, but it doesn't mean that you need a big budget. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me or the sales team here at LSW Lighting. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.